On 27 January 2025 in Cairo, the Alliance of Biodiversity International Initiative of CGIAR, in collaboration with Egypt's Ministry of Agriculture and Land Reclamation, the Ministry of Higher Education and Scientific Research, and the Innovators Support Fund, hosted the Consultation workshop on the digitalization of Egypt's food crop value chains. This workshop, bringing together over 80 experts from the public and private sectors, focused on how digital tools can enhance efficiency, transparency, and market access in Egypt's food crop value chains. Through engaging presentations, a multi-stakeholder panel, and interactive breakout sessions, critical topics were explored, including empowering women in agriculture, Egypt's digital transformation strategies, and the latest AgriTech investment trends. Key priorities emerged from the discussions, such as improving infrastructure for digital integration in agriculture, fostering public-private partnerships to drive innovation, leveraging user-friendly digital tools tailored to farmers' needs to help overcome digital illiteracy, and developing sustainable, adaptable digital applications that evolve with market demands and technological progress. The feedback gathered will help shape targeted solutions, impact areas, and key partnerships for implementing the digitalization of Egypt's food crop value chains project. By empowering small-scale farmers and optimizing supply chains, this project aims to enhance food security, support environmental conservation, and drive economic growth, while promoting sustainable agriculture practices for a more resilient future. To express your interest in collaboration opportunities, please contact us directly and visit the following pages for the latest updates.